How to dry a snow cone. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So for the first step making our snow cone, we're going to begin by making one big sideways C-like shape. Nice job! Underneath of that C-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make a V-like shape. Let's start by making one slanted line. Now from that point, we're going to make a second curved line. This will make a V-like shape, and we're going to connect this up by that C-like shape that we previously made. This will be the bottom of our snow cone. Fantastic! Now to make the very top of our cone, we're going to make an outline of another C-like shape. Now on the very top of our cone, we're going to begin to make the ice. We're going to do this by making one big curvy line going from left to right, almost like an arch. Inside of that big blank space, we're going to add in two curvy lines that will be slanted. This will help separate the colors later on in the video. Now last but not least, we're going to add in stripes on the bottom of our snow cone for detail. The fun part about this is at the end of the video, we can color in these stripes along with the ice on the top, any color that we please. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big like. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.